What is toner? Toner is designed to cleanse the skin and shrink the appearance of pores. It also moisturizes, protects, and refreshes the skin. What are the benefits of toner? Removes dirt and impurities, refreshes skin, restores skin's pH level, acts like a moisturizer, shrinks pores, smooths skin, and improves skin tone. Luxe Organix Whitening Repair Essence Toner. This toner lightens dark spots, brightens skin, reduces appearance of skin blemishes, evens out skin tone, reduces appearance of enlarged pores, and lightens scars. Luxe Organix Power Glow Essence Toner. Help brighten up dull-looking skin, reduces blackheads and whiteheads, restores and boosts collagen production, antioxidant for healthy, glowing skin. Luxe Organix AHA BHA Miracle Solutions Toner. This toner unclogs pores, refines skin tone, minimizes pores, promotes skin renewal, helps balance pH level, and leaving complexion smoother and clearer. Luxe Organix Cica Rescue Calming Toner. This toner soothes irritated skin, balances skin pH, controls sebum production, strengthening skin barrier, removes impurities, and hydrates and calms inflammation. Luxe Organix Aqualock Plump Up Toner. This toner hydrates dry skin, nourish tired-looking skin, helps lock in moisture, and giving skin plump and supple feels. Lastly, the Luxe Organix Aloe Vera Calming Toner. This toner helps skin restoration, balances skin pH level, remove excess dirt, and tones and moisturizes skin. To use these toners, soak a cotton pad with an adequate amount of the toner. Gently apply to face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Let toner remain in the face until fully absorbed. Or you can use your clean hands to pat and dry this toner on your skin. Just a reminder, to attain full benefits of this product, ensure to have an adequate amount of sunscreen protection while using this product during daytime. Also, for external use only and avoid contact with eyes, conduct a skin test first before using it. Stop using and consult a doctor if skin becomes red, swollen, and itchy during use. Remember, always keep out of reach of children and store this product at room temperature. Thank you for watching. Till next time.